Friends, today we are talking about one of the most important pieces of bedroom furniture, yes, your wardrobe. So friends, in this video I'm going to share a beautiful modern wardrobe designs with different color combinations. So friends, in this video I'm going to share their latest price for making the wardrobe and what are the points to remember, which are the best materials. A well-designed wardrobe completes the look of your room, which sleek lines, colors, and finishes can elevate your whole space. Also, it enhances the bedroom aesthetics and it is maximize the space smartly. So, good wardrobe designs uses every inch from corners to vertical height, helping you to store more without clutter. Because modular wardrobe especially save the space and fit perfectly into room shape. And with the thoughtful layouts, hanging areas, shelf drawers, you'll find things faster and keep clothes wrinkle free. And it gives the customization for your needs. So whether you need more drawers, space for your shoes, or a mirror door, modern wardrobes comes with a customized to your lifestyle. A built-in or a modular wardrobe design can add a perceived interior value and make your home more appealing when selling or renting. So friends, choosing the right material is one of the most important decisions. So because it affects the durability, look, and cost. So in market you will get lots of materials like MDF, particle board, but I will not suggest go with the MDF. It is a medium density fiber board. One of the best material and a budget friendly option is a plywood. So in a plywood there are three grades are available like MR grade, BWR, BWP. So BWP most commonly used for the kitchen cabinets and MR and BW are the good choice. It is budget friendly option and also it is very durable option for the wardrobe framework and can resist moisture better than the basic boards. So highly recommended for long lasting wardrobe. So go with the BWR or MR plywood. But friends, don't forget that don't go with the particle board. It is very cheap in price, but it is very lightweight but less durable than plywood. And for finishing, laminate and acrylic finishes are the most popular. So laminate comes in a many colors and textures for a stylish look. And acrylic is a high gloss, premium shine, and is easy to maintain. So friends, but if you want in a budget friendly option for a finishes, laminate is a good choice. You will get lots of various colors, options, and textures. And also the price for laminate sheets per sheet it will cost you 1500 rupees and the sheet size will be 8.4 8 by 4. So the total one sheet is 32 square feet. And if you want you can purchase acrylic, but almost the price will be 2500 rupees per sheet, so the size will be the same. So friends, now I'm going to tell that what will be the latest price for making wardrobes. So actually the latest price starts from 1100 rupees per square feet to 1400 rupees. Actually the price totally depends upon the quality of materials which we select. So friends, which I'm telling that 1100 rupees, I'm talking about the plywood, which is BWR plywood. And in this price everything is included like making charges for labor charge and your hardware items like channels, drawers, handles. So it is everything included in this price. So 1100 rupees per square feet it would goes to 1400. So let's suppose if you want we'll take a total, we'll calculate that how much it will cost. Suppose your wardrobe size is 6 by 10, so that means the total wardrobe area is 60 square feet. So almost it will cost you 65,000 rupees for this wardrobe for making. So this is the way you can calculate, friends. So what is the size you are selecting? This you have to multiply this with 1100 rupees. So the price maybe totally depends upon the locations and the quality of materials which we purchase. So friends, before making the wardrobe, you should choose the right decision, select the good material. So there are some important points to consider, like match with the bedroom style. So keeps the colors and textures in a harmony with your room theme, and measure before you decide. So always measure your wall height, width, and ceiling type before designing. Another point is plan internal sections, hanger space, drawers, shoe racks according to what you require. And one of the most important point to remember is the hardware matters. So soft close hinges, good quality handles, and smooth drawers runners increase the life and feel premium for your wardrobe. So friends, that's everything you need to know about the wardrobe designs, from benefit to materials and the latest price of today. I'm talking about the latest price. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what wardrobe style you're planning, and what is the current price in your area for making the wardrobe. So friends, if you have still any doubts regarding to the price or any materials, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see that I can give all your reply. So friends, if you want more details, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video.